Hey ladies, it's that time again. Now I need to upload quite a few packing videos, but I have not had a chance. So come and pack Ral's order with me. Ral has ordered our stunning pink adult mermaid blanket, which is super duper cute and comfy, and it comes in two colours, and we also some pink ones, which is awesome as well. And you also got a free scrunchie. Our maroon twist back jumper, it is so unique and it is so cute. And you can really see that twist at the back, especially if you're up top underneath. Ral also got our Tilly very popular high-waisted stretch jeans. Just trying to fit in there. And our super cool pack of beanie bands. They come in multiple colours. Our awesome keychains. They're super cute. They're like the same island hand with a beautiful crystal next to it. And Ral got two of those. They go in a little large. And Ral also got our inked mama jumper, which I'm also wearing. Absolutely live in this jumper. It's very rare to see. So if you have not got your ladies, make sure you run because there's only a few left. So your free gift, as well as your invoice, your special note from me, and all your bits and bobs, your free stickers, and your little complimentary free gift. I really hope you love everything, Ral. I truly appreciate all the support. Even just thinking about it, it just makes my heart so warm. Sending lots of love and healing, because I know you had something sore. I can't remember if it was a foot. I don't remember. I'm sorry. Yeah. But I really hope you love this, babe. Thank you so much for supporting my small business and supporting me and my dreams. And I'm hoping that everything in this parcel makes you feel amazing. Sticky take time. Now this is just to make sure that it does not come undone, because I don't trust these bags. I don't trust the postal bags. I've literally had one just plop open once as I was walking to the car with it. And ever since that time, I will sticky tape that down. Now, I don't have one of those Dymo labels, but I've seen so many people have issues with them, which makes me just want to stick to my printouts. Now, some pretty stickers. And again, I hope you love everything, Ral. Thank you so much. Have a great day, babe.